You know you everything to me.
Yeah, boy.
And I could never see the two of us apart. And you know I gave myself to you, and no matter